hope you're all well. Using the granulating colours from Kuretake, and I'm going to do some circles with a flat brush. I've already mixed up some paint, so I'm just going to get straight on and see what happens. So using the flat of the brush, just pulling it round. Very, very pale these colours are. I think I might just get them straight out the pan. Let's try a bit of Aurora pink on here. Like a bit of depth of colour. So what I think I'll do is use what I've got mixed up, but add some colours on top. Because it's very, very pale, as you can see here. Not really giving me the depth that I want. I'm going to get a load of colour and put it on. That's better. Get some of this purple. I think the purple is one of my favourites because it's more vibrant. I suppose it's a matter of taste, really. I do like strong colours. So these Kuretake granulating colours are a little bit on the wishy-washy side. Sometimes you need something a bit more subtle. You don't always need it in your face. I'm just going to mix it up a bit. It's nice to try different colours, see how they work. Just twizzle the brush round, gives you a nice circle. I'll do more of these purple ones, just because they're such a lovely, vibrant colour. I like some of the shapes it's leaving when you're doing the twizzles. You can actually see the shape, how your brush has gone around. So that's quite a good effect. So dragging the colour around, leaving that shape. You see here, a bit of a highlight. Quite a nice effect. Some more of the Aurora orange, which actually looks a bit more green than orange. Well, these are so easy to do, these round circles. If you've got a flat brush like this, basically you're keeping the one edge in the middle and you're twizzling the outer edge all the way round. It also helps with this effect. They do look like lovely, they look like bubbles. You know when you blow bubbles when you were a kid? They look like that. Very nice. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that because I can feel that I want to do loads more, but I'm just going to end up just with a load of bubbles and they're going to be layered over each other. So I'm just going to let it dry, see what it looks like when we come back. Our bubbles have dried now, so all I'm going to do is line round the picture to give it a bit of border, pressing against the marker onto the masking tape. Just gives it a nice edge. Peeling off the tape. To reveal your lovely watercolour bubbles. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.